Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Windows computer. So let's begin the tutorial. So there are three ways by which you can easily capture a screen in Windows computer. So let's take a look. So the first method I'm going to show you is by using print screen. So you need to press print screen into your keyboard. You can find it at the top right corner of your keyboard by pressing it, and after you have pressed the print screen in your keyboard, then open any photo editor software, or you can use Paint, Microsoft Paint. So open this software and here just click on, press Ctrl and V to paste the screen captured screen into this application. So you can see here the screen is captured and pasted into this program. So to now you just need to save this image into picture format. So you can select any one of this format given in this list. You can save it PNG format also, you can save it in JPG format also. So I'm saving it in JPG format and saved it on desktop. So now another method I'm going to show you is using snipping tools, which is available by default into your Windows computer. So to access these tools, go to start menu and here you type SNI. As you type snipping, the result you'll get in this program list, snipping tools. Just click on these tools and now you can select any part of your computer screen to capture the screen. So you can select the complete desktop, or you can also select any part of your screen. So if I want to select this part only, then after you have selected this area, then release your mouse button and this will capture the selected area. Now to save this picture into JPG format, click on save and you can save it as a picture format. So here is my captured screenshot. Now the third one is, if you have installed Microsoft Office 2013 or higher version, then you can use Microsoft PowerPoint to capture screenshot of your computer screen. So let me show you how you can do it. So here I have opening this Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. Click on blank presentation. Now when you have opened this program, now in the insert menu you will see screenshot. So click on this option screenshot and click on screen clipping, and you can see here, you'll see after you have click on screen clipping, a plus symbols. So now only you need to do is just select the area. You can select any part of the area, or you can select the full desktop and release your mouse, and this will bring this captured image into PowerPoint. So now to save this file into picture format. Right click on this file, right click on this image and click on save as picture, and you are done. You can save it now. Let me show you. Now here is my final result after captured using Microsoft PowerPoint. So in this way you can capture screenshot of your computer screen. You can use any of these three methods which you find convenient for you. So if you finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates, and thanks for watching my video.